Hi boys and girls. Okay, I am back with some tips and tricks for hair, okay? I decided on what I wanted for my face, but I wanted to give you some ideas for hair. So you don't necessarily have to have hair. I mean, you could go through and try to cut out tons and tons of pieces of hair that look the color of yours, or you could just be creative and go, you know, my hair has all of these colors in it, so I am going to... Okay, so my hair has all of these different tones in it. So I'm actually going to use strips of this, and I'm just going to cut it. Oops. I'm just going to cut it in strips because I have long hair. I can just put lots of strips of long, kind of the same color pieces, right? And then you won't really know that it was something else. I can make it look like my hair. And for the top, like if I have a bigger piece, like I might do a piece like this for where my bangs are, so here, and then I can do these as strips coming down, and I'm going to probably need more, but just, and maybe I don't want them to fit together perfectly because I want it to look like strands of hair. If you have shorter hair, you'd obviously want to cut shorter ones. If you have curly or wavy hair, then when you're cutting your lines, you'd want to be cutting, like I'm going to just cut a few wavy ones here. I have some wavy hair, so you'd want to cut kind of a wavy line, right, to make that look like your hair is curly or wavy. Okay, so there's a curlier one, right? If my hair was curly, I could do that. If my hair is short, I would cut shorter pieces, right? For some of you who have shorter hair, maybe you don't want to do this. Maybe you just want to cut a bunch of shorter strips, okay? And that's going to end up looking a lot more. And where your hair, if your hair is darker, look at this was actually the back of that page. I didn't even realize it, but the back has some darker, so I could cut my hair out of that if it was shorter. All right, hopefully this gives you some ideas for your hair that you don't get locked up in worrying about it being exact. We want it to look like a collage. We want it to look like we got it out of here. I found this one while I was looking that I could easily cut strips out of this because it's got some warm tones in it.